This is Machos, 9953. Here we go. Oh, I'm hitting the wrong button. 5 times, here we go. I apologize about it. That was intense. 2. No, haven't done clearly yet. 3. 4. And 5. Top is Mavs. Bottom is Nugs. That is 5 times. Get rid of it. Someone in this break will win. I apologize. That is too far. Oh. We're going to randomize one more time. Here we go. Pull up random. And the winner of the box is whoever has the Knicks. Congrats, Knicks. 6 times. 6 for the Knicks. Let's go. I am a mess right now. I'm an absolute in a state. New York, Concrete Jungle, Wet Dream Tomato. Spot 14. That means Victor Panano picks up the Overtime Elite. Listen, Bailey said some stuff last time I was the big purple bitch, and all right, here we go. Draft class, Jalen Suggs. Draft class, Jaden Springer. More draft Jadens than Will Smith leaving his son's window open to let a little bit of air in. Give it around, Jamal Murray. What do we think of that one? Is that a good one? Wait. What did Bailey say? Oh boy, we're actually going to have to pick up the old subscription. Bailey was very mean to me about the old big blueness. Did someone time him out or not? Sean got him. Onyeka Okongwu. Purple, Zion. Bailey, I give you permission to defend yourself on Twitch. Saban Lee, air defense, Giannis. Isaiah Stewart. Donovan Mitchell, silver T minus 321. Rated rookie, Braden Pritchard, Express Lane, James Harden. Rated rookie, Edwards. Winner stay, Steph Curry. Harrison Barnes. Cassius Stanley. A silver 3J McCollum. Steph, RJ Hampton. And Jamal Murray, T minus 321. All right. Illusions Del Gatto. Four teams left in Impeccable and 4 teams left in Definitive. Both of these are going to get a boost from some of the breaks coming up. Chris Groove, Wiggins Groove, Nathan Knight Groove, who? Facundo Campazzo, career lineage of Ray Allen. Udoka. Eric Gordon, Marvin Bagley, Kiera Lewis Jr., Kenny Martin Jr., and Kenny Martin Sr. Amazing Luka Doncic. Basketball Paul and Alexei Pokusevski. Lonzo Ball, Malcolm Brogdon Groove. Red, Josh Jackson. Damian Lillard, Danny Avdia. Theo Maladon. Jeremy Grant, Clint Capella, Groove, CJ Allaby, Porzingis, Mystique, Julius Randle, Zeke Naji, Desmond Byrne, All right, Obsidian, here we go. This is why you all got into it. All right, here we go. Paul George. Oh my God, another blue flood, huh? Davion Mitchell rookie. Drew Holiday. To 149, it's a Zeke Naji. Jeez, this box could slap here. Zeke Naji Galaxy. To 99, it is rookie eruption. Nothing else. Jalen Green. Nice little hit there for the Rockets. And the blue flood, Penny Simons. Unnumbered. That's very nice for the Blazers. And Supernova, Evan Mobley, 33 of 99. I don't know what everyone's laughing at. It's just a eruption. Oh God, I nearly did it again. All right, and then finally here comes Impeccable. Degenerate into something, fool. We just got tired of doing what you told us to do. That's a breakthrough. Yeah. That's a breakthrough, man. Alrighty. How good can it get? Nikola Jokic, red. Dennis Schroeder, red. For the Hawks, it is Trae Young, Stainless Stars, red. And we have a redemption. A 12 of 88. Nice little one there for the Pelicans, Trey Murphy. Here comes the redemption. All right, Stainless Stars, Autographs, Asia Red, card 4. That's Scotty. Scotty Barnes! Oh, boy. Who has Toronto? The Raptors have gone off. Spot 20, James Clark. Congratulations, that's awesome. And that is Machos 9953 done. Wow.